Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix Meta AI not working on WhatsApp. The first thing we're going to need to do is just go ahead and go to App Store or Play Store and then search for WhatsApp. Just type in WhatsApp. Alright, so if you see an update button here, you just have to tap on it to update the application. But if there's no update button, then just go ahead and go to and long press the application and remove the application. And then once done, just have to reinstall the application. You can also restart the application. But if that doesn't work, then go ahead and go to your settings. From here, go to help, tap on help center, then tap on get started. From here, tap on troubleshooting. And from here, just tap on not seeing a feature on WhatsApp. Tap on that. And you can just read this whole paragraph and take note the tips and apply it to yourself. But if you still encounter the same issue, then go ahead and scroll to the bottom and tap on contact support. From here, just type in your concern, which is the Meta AI not working on WhatsApp. So I'm typing here, hello WhatsApp team. My WhatsApp account or application is not showing the feature of Meta AI. Please solve this problem as soon as possible. So once you're done typing in your concern, you just have to tap on send via email. And there you go. That should solve the problem of the Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!